popped right open when I pushed on it. So, it smells pretty good actually.
Say hi.
Hello. Hang on a second. Oh, that's good. That's completely right.
Oh, your phone must be in there.
It's in my pocket. And I have to turn that off too. Yeah. We just cracked open a watermelon. I asked Siri to tell me all the different things about checking a watermelon, and she agreed with what I had previously read. So that's a pretty good watermelon. It's little bitty. It's little bitty. It's the seeds that Grandma sent us, and which is supposed to produce 30-pound watermelons. And so far, it's produced 3 watermelons, all of which are like the size of a cantaloupe, basically. Jack is intrigued by Mom dripping on the floor. That's really good.
Not bad for something we didn't think would actually make it.
Well, you know, I decided I would put it in the greenhouse because if it was going to have a chance anywhere, it was going to be there. And I'm really glad I did. With any luck, we'll have one more out of there. And if it's nearly as good as this one, I'll be very happy.
Do you want to grow this kind again next year?
I'm not sure. The flavor's very good, but it was very disease prone here. So I'm going to look at disease resistance. This is an OP, which is nice, but not if it's going to get sick and die too quickly. And what I'd like to do, this year we had very good success with the cantaloupe. I'd like to grow cantaloupe and watermelon next year as treats, you know. Jennifer was saying that if you get watermelon, you can't eat it fast enough, you're going to lose it. Freeze it, and then make agua fresca with it. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, because hopefully we'll be eating more watermelon later, and there's going to be lots going on. We have tons to do. So until next time, bye. I usually eat watermelon outside so I can just spit. Jack is intrigued by me dripping on the floor.